Sometimes you just gotta say, fuck it, you know? Stop talking to me, bitch, I don't give a fuck. Yo, wait.
Yo, what's going on everybody? I'm back yet again for tutorial number 3. This time I'm going to show you how to use a vocoder and use automation to draw melodies. So it's really cool. You can do it with a lot of different programs like Auto-Tune. The one I'm going to use today is Native Instruments. It's called The Mouth. And I'll just kind of show you what I'm talking about here. I'm actually going to just do it in real time with my voice on the mic. So first, I'm going to use the same beat that I started in tutorial number 2. What this is strings, and actually I've got some piano now. So I'm going to add that in here too. That'll just make it more interesting. We'll get back to this later. So here's what it sounds like. Okay, so simple. I got that tape stop in there too. I'm actually going to draw more tape stop in, why not? And the tape stop is in tutorial number 2. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and do this thing with my voice. First things first, I'm on the channel that my mic is on right now, that my voice is on. From the effect drop down, I'm going to choose Reactor 5. And I chose the mouth. I have to mute it right now because it'll make me hard to understand. So now we have the mouth in here, and I'm going to choose a preset number 19, Gylomat. I don't know. It's a pretty cool preset, and I'll show it in a second here. This is with none of the automation turned on yet.
It gives it a really robotic kind of sound. It's pretty tight.
But annoying if you listen to it for too long, to be honest. So I'm going to show you how to set this all up and trigger it, and how you can use it in your songs and stuff like that in the next part. So alright, so let's keep going with this. So we got the mouth, and it's loaded up on the microphone track, and right now it's just monotone. I'll play it again.
It doesn't really do anything, it just kind of keeps going at the same note.
And that's a problem. I want it to follow my song, and in this case the strings or the piano, it's in the key of B minor. And what you can do is manually set it to B minor, and when you talk into it, I think, let's see if it does anything, I'm not sure.
Does it do anything here or not? I don't know. Does it do anything? Yes.
It does do something, but it's still monotone. All it really did was took it from C major, C5 default probably, to B minor. But it's still monotone in the key of B minor. So let's get it to be melodic, and I'll show you how to do that with automation. Let's first set this. This is Reactor 5 now. If you were using Auto-Tune or whatever, it would be the same principle here. Click the wrap settings, and change both the in and output ports to port 0. And remember the port you choose, whatever port you choose, just remember it. We're going to go with 0 here. Next, add a new channel. We use MIDI out. And we're going to match that port number we chose. Port 0. Okay. And I'm going to go to my piano melody. Copy it. And then MIDI out piano roll. Right click on the MIDI out channel you added and choose piano roll. And paste this pattern in here. Alright. So now we're going to go to the playlist and draw this pattern I just created in. And now what this is going to do is my voice is going to follow these melodies. And I'll show you that in the next video. Alright, so just to finish out the video, once again this is for controlling vocoders using automation to create melodies with vocoders. This MIDI out channel is linked to the mouth, which is an effect from Native Instruments, and I have it on the microphone channel on my voice. So when I turn this shit on, it sounds all robotic and shit. And I actually have a melody that it's gonna, you know, carry for me here.
What the fuck? 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 At the strength? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck?
It's like Chewbacca auto-tuned or some shit. It's funny. Some of you might find something that this is useful for. It's tough. I haven't found it yet, but some beat in the future I'll probably use this just because it's really fun. I mean, you can just get on there and talk shit. And that's about it. So stay tuned, comment, like, subscribe. I'll keep uploading more tutorials and more beats. But definitely subscribe. That's what keeps me going for sure. And like the videos too. So I'll be back. Stay tuned. Later.